how to make a YouTube custom thumbnail. Let me clarify. An awesome YouTube thumbnail. Hey guys, my name is Scott Anderson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we chat all about making money online using the power of affiliate marketing and YouTube. In this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial of how to make an awesome thumbnail, and then 2, give a review of the program that I used to create it. So recently I've been on this quest to find the best YouTube thumbnail creator or maker, and I don't really like those templates that are out there. I like to make them custom, but at the same time, I want to save time. I recently did a video about PicMonkey, which is a software to create thumbnails. I liked it, but I didn't love it. If you'd like to see that video, which is still helpful, you can check out the card up here. So during my quest, I had a checklist of items of certain things that this YouTube creator needed to have. Number 1, needed to be able to remove the background. Number 2, I needed to be able to add an outline to my profile picture or a glow. Number 3, I had to have good text. Number 4, a good background capability. And number 5 is to make it fast and easy, which is important to me and should be important to you. Bam! Just this morning I found an incredible editor that's actually an app on the iPhone and for Android. It is called Thumbnail Maker and looks like this. Okay, now that I explained my quest, my history of finding this awesome app, it's time for the tutorial. Okay, I'm going to break down this tutorial in 4 easy steps. Number 1, take a picture and upload it. Number 2, outline the profile picture. Number 3, add a background. And number 4, add text. I'm gonna show you from my iPhone. I'm gonna record the screen, so let's get after it. Okay, we are recording from my phone. As you see, I'm using this broadcasting app called Record It. It just records my screen, which is super cool. Okay, here is the app. So I'm gonna go to Thumbnail Maker, and I'm going to add a picture. I just took a photo. Let's use this one right here. Cutout sticker. This is the greatest, coolest thing. So I'm actually gonna do this auto. This does take a little bit of time. Okay, so that took about 20 to 30 seconds to do that auto outline, but as you see, it's high quality and does a really good job. So that's something that removed background, which another video I did, doesn't quite make a high resolution photo. Let's move on. I'm gonna hit next, and I'm going to add a stroke. So let's zoom up on this. So I wanna add a stroke of white, just about right there. Then I'm gonna do next. Oh no, I'm gonna do shadow. So I think the shadow effect is super cool too. And it's saved right here as kind of a sticker. Okay, something that's a little bit finicky with this is you actually have to add some sort of photo to start the thumbnail process. So I already have that one photo, the first one I took. So I'm going to leave that on there, but what I'm going to do to fix that is I'm actually going to add a box. And this box, I'm going to zoom up as big as I can and just leave that right there. And then I'm gonna go to layers. And what you have to do is you have to hold down this layer for the order. So there it is. And now I'm going to edit this shape. I'm gonna do a gradient. Let's see, let's do something. Let's stick with this one. And let's make this bigger. Put that about right there. I like that. Okay, now we're gonna add text right here. And you literally just type out right here. So I'm gonna put, now that we've got that, look, we can use all these different text right here. Super cool. And then change the colors. I don't love those colors, but that's the beauty. You can change the colors right here. So here's the outline. Ooh, I like that. I didn't realize that you could add a background, which is super cool. So you can separate this and break it down into 3. So I'm going to do that right now. Let's see, edit text. Let's just do awesome. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can copy this. Here, copy. Ah, look at that, guys. And do thumbnail. Okay, we're gonna copy this one now. Awesome. Thumbnail maker. Okay, now if you want to change the order of the layers, you just go here. Once again, you just hold that and move it over. You know what? That's gonna work. I'm just gonna stick with that. I'm gonna save it. So then it saves into your photos, and boom, right there. So there it is. You can literally just add that right into your thumbnail within YouTube. As you see, the image is high res. Got really, really good cropping. Adds those to the outline and the shadow. Just really cool stuff. So that's that. All right, you guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Let's now chat about the pros and the cons of this thumbnail creator. Okay, so the pros are that you can use it on your phone, so it's fast and easy. Also, I will say that it's so cool that you can remove the background and also add the awesome outline, and then on top of that you can add a shadow, which is super cool. Okay, now for the cons. So it's actually a little hard to be able to design things with just your thumbs. You know, after you do it a little bit, it actually is really easy. Another con though is that it does cost money, okay? This is not completely free. I actually bought a one-time purchase. Everything costs $6.99. Super cheap. If you want to do an annual subscription, it's $4.99. I actually think that the cost is a pro. Okay, that is the end of my YouTube custom thumbnail creator, maker, editor, whatever you want to call it, review and tutorial. Hope you found this valuable. If you liked it, please smash that like button. And guys, this channel, once again, is all about making money online with the power of YouTube and affiliate marketing. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and tip the bell if you'd like to be notified. And guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.